An app to organize your ideas on mind maps. The first step you should do is to install the MindMeister application and select the Open option. Then it will show you a box in which you must write a title for your map. For example, Labor Organization. When you select the main box, a new sub-box will show, in which you can follow towards the direction you want. At the bottom, you will find a painting symbol in blue. Click on it, and you can find different fonts to choose from in letter A. You can also modify the color to the one of your preference. At the bottom is the theme of the map, in which you choose the way you want your mind map to have. You can now select the alignment that this will have. In the next icon, you can add files such as photos or other icons. Finally, explore the message icon in which you can have the options, task, notes, links. In your upper right you will find a symbol with a plus, in which there is the option to invite another person for free. Indeed, more people can enter to edit on your map. To finally save your work, go to the upper right in the 3 points, then several options will be displayed. In the first, you verify with whom you shared your document. Then you will find the export icon so you can save your creation. You can also get the direct link from the application to share it this way, duplicate or move it to the trash. Finally, remember that this application helps you to make your mind maps in a more creative way.